What's up, guys? Today we're learning this song from Needtobreathe, Garden. It goes like this. And the chorus, da da da, da da da. Sweet! This song was requested by Leon Perry or something like that. Can't remember how you say his name. But he's a YouTube subscriber and he joined one of our live streams and he was like, man, I've got to learn this song. And I was like, oh, I love this song. And I actually taught him it, or there's a couple of ways you can play it. The guy from Needtobreathe, I can't remember his name, but he played it in a live video in drop G tuning, so like open G tuning. But the album version is played with this tuning. So we're going to learn the album way, and maybe later I'll do the open tuning version if there is a request for it. But the open tuning version is really nice as well. But request that in the comments. If we get like 10 likes on that comment, then we'll probably do that tutorial. Okay, but anyway, let me show you guys. It's got these intervals running up here: G, A minor, B minor, C, D. So it's like you got to learn this first. So 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret, 10th fret. So, and then we'll learn the picking now. It's got this riff before it starts. So it's like. So it's got a hammer on here from 2 to 3 on the 5th string. And then it's got the open D string and open E string, G string, sorry. These two strings open, so. And then it's got the G with a picking pattern going on the strings 6, 5, 3. You do that same picking pattern on the first 2 chords, and then this one you do 6, 5, 4. So you don't go all the, but it's very interchangeable. You can do. It's not like you have to hit strings. It's just the important thing is to hit strings 6 and 5. So. And there, the first time, sometimes you hit the B string there on the A minor. Did you hear that? Doom. Sometimes before the chorus and in the intro the first time. So just to review that slowly. Okay, chorus starts on C, just pick down from the 5th string, just like that. And you can also go up. No, that's not how it goes, but the words I sing. Same thing with the G, just the 1 finger G. You can add the pinky if you want to strum it, but that's the G that these guys use. They do that kind of thing. But anyway. D. So C, G, D, E minor. The D is just like the C, but the E minor is here 7 and 5. I don't know why I just did that. Okay, so did you hear that at the end of the chorus? Just da, 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 da. Slowly the chorus. Ba, 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 da, da. Cool beans, guys. Have a nice day. We'll see you soon again.